So here we have a Pepwave Puma 401. Now the Puma antennas have been rebadged or renamed to mobility antennas because they are designed for that mobility application. And here we have the 401. This is in black. We've got a mounting clip. We've got the 4 screws that go in the underside, and then we've got some wall mounting screws for the bracket. Let's take the whole thing out and pop open the cardboard back, which lets us pull out the antenna. Let's have a closer look at that. And then let's just pull the antenna out. Screw it up against the cardboard. Unscrew that. There we are. Right. So here we have, this is the black version of the 401. And why is it 401? Because it's got 4 LTE antennas and then a GPS, inbuilt GPS. And just like the larger 421, it's a very similar style bracketry. So this bracket screws onto the bottom like this. And screw them back together. And you've got the 4 screws on the bracket to secure it into the antenna itself. And then you're in a position where you can fix this antenna in a couple of different ways. You can either screw it directly into a wall and wall mount it like that. You can use the clip around a vertical pole and secure the clip like that, or you can do a horizontal pole and you can put the clip around the other way. So a really versatile mount. It's got about 2 meters of cable on it by the looks of it, so more than enough for most kind of situations. And let's check the size. We're looking at around about 13 centimeters, 5 inches of size. A really good sized antenna, perfect for adding connectivity. This is the QMA version, so this is designed for the MBX series and the other Max products that support QMA connectors. Perfect for that. Perfect for to sit on one of those modems in combination with maybe a 421 to provide the Wi-Fi element and the extra GPS. There we are. Thank you very much.